Traversing the bustling streets of American cities, one might stumble upon the exciting world of food trucks, a culinary trend that transforms everyday meals into gourmet delights. These mobile kitchens offer everything from crispy fish tacos in California to authentic Philly cheesesteaks and even Southern fried chicken. Originating from a deep tradition of street vending, food trucks have embraced innovation, blending cultures and flavors in every dish they serve. As food trucks continue to park themselves in every corner, they create a crossroads of cultural exchange, satisfying the appetites of millions. Whether featuring zesty barbecue ribs or vegan delights, American food trucks present a dynamic blend of the nation's melting pot, ensuring every bite is a new journey.